Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing our first Troubadour Tech video. Now, Troubadour Tech is going to be where we test out different types of products, see what the capabilities are, so please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. So for the first Troubadour Tech video, if you haven't noticed in the Troubadour tutorial videos, I have been recording them with the Feiyu Pocket Cam. This is an amazing camera that can shoot 4K videos. It's extremely small. I've had a lot of fun using this so far, but I really haven't been able to test its capabilities other than recording this. That being said, I have worked with MDI Film. I will leave their channel in the description. My boss, Johnny Wu, we have worked together showing a few of the capabilities, but what I want to test it out today is as a webcam. I have other tests that I want to do with this camera, possibly taking it to the metro parks and recording a little video with it, but today we're going to be testing it as a webcam. If you guys don't know already, I am a part of a podcast called Who Are They Real Entertainment. Again, I will leave the link in the description. Please subscribe. We upload every Sunday. And we do plenty of other content beyond our regular show. But this today is going to be important because we are going to be using the webcam for the actual show. So what you're going to be seeing next is the webcam in action. I'm going to probably show a little bit of footage of what I regularly am recording with versus using this. I can already say that I would assume as long as the cord is long enough, the range is going to be a lot different. I'm going to be able to sit here and record the podcast the exact same way that I am recording these videos. In front of the rim light, it's going to look real nice and clean. I definitely have been very impressed with this video quality so far. Today's Friday, so I will see you guys on Sunday with the rest of this video. Alright everybody, so we are currently looking back at the footage. This was the past podcast from this week where we talked about Harley Quinn. You can find that on the channel, as compared to footage from when we talked about Kevin Smith. Both footage is recorded in 720. The Feiyu Pocket Cam will shoot the video when you're live streaming in 4K. My camera, that was just my regular webcam with my computer, we're shooting in 1080. Now, when we were using StreamYard in order to record, this is how the footage ended up turning out. But as you can see, the footage from the Pocket Cam is substantially better than the footage from my regular laptop. And beyond that, just the fact that you can use this camera for so much more and a webcam really makes this a great purchase in my mind. Alright, so we are back. Not using the Pocket Cam as a webcam. I wasn't able to figure out how to really switch between the two, so we're back to 4K footage. But really, again, I'm severely impressed with how this camera records as a webcam. Instantaneously, when I entered our stream on StreamYard, Matt noticed that the camera quality was just substantially better. That being said, thank you so much for watching this week's video. Make sure you check out our podcast, Who Are They Real Entertainment. With that, my name is Nick. This was another Troubadour Tech video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.